Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.